you guys go to the bathroom?
No.
She's gonna wait.
Right here.
Sobe, who's in there?
You did it? Can't do more buddies.
Jesus.
Who is that?
Jesus.
Jesus, I don't know about that. What do you think, Gaff? You think that's Jesus?
And he's done.
Hiya.
A maid.
Yeah.
It's like a servant.
Okay, let's go. Because I'm too close to things. This isn't going to be anything good. It's still ugly.
We don't got milking. We don't got milking. We got milking. Are we? Are we, guys? Are we?
Yeah, we're on the mountain.
This is the March, so the snow is melting.
Looks like I'm looking somewhere else. How many minutes until we get there?
We're almost there. We're gonna go over the mountain and then we'll be there.
What?
Well, not this. But we're gonna enter the forest and then the forest will be to the top.
You've arrived.
I remember that. I remember that.
Their house.
No.
Nope, this is the house we are staying at. Oh, home sweet home. For us right now.
Second time in a row.
All right.
World record for us. Broke the world record staying at an Airbnb.
I was talking to a cow. We found a catapult.
We're gonna go inside now. There's some cute little calves hanging out.
It's a new one. That stinks.
Got for Simon. Open it up bigger so he can get in.
That's all it can go. Oh, this is gonna be creepy with us smaller. It's even creepier with the smaller one. He's scared. Let's roll down.
This is like being home, huh?
Free him from the car.
Does feel like being home though, huh?
Oh,
Mom,
so
I talked
pretty.
to a cow. I was like, "Meow." It said, "Meow, meow."
Hold on, here.
It's Simon up there at the hammock.
So, 7. I feel like 8, 12. 9, I feel like I'm in home, sweet home.
Home, sweet, away from home. A home, sweet home, away from home. This is the best Airbnb on planet Earth.
It is.
Really beautiful fireplace here and the best kitchen table, seriously, ever. So amazing. And look at this cooking area over here. Oh, and this
Here's the
sink.
dishwasher.
The sink is so cool. So I don't know what this material is. It's like rock.
It's like,
And it's so cool. I think it's like black basalt or I don't know what. I'm making crap up at this point.
the great thing that Simon is holding is the frisbee that we left here last time.
Yeah, we left the frisbee here last year. What?
Hey guys, we are here. Is it even? Yes. Okay.
Chicken steak.
Yep.
Farmhouse.
Our stop after. with our thingy.
Hey.
I don't know what it is. Or sauce that we make.
Can you find me like a brush in there?
Yeah.
They might have utensils that.
Oh, okay.
Did you mean that butter, Megan?
Yes,
Yeah, dipping butter.
Sweet. You can melt some butter and brush it on.
That yummy?
That is really good.
Need some steak, please.
Okay, so we're going to, there's a river over here. It's like right next to the house, right next to the yard here. And yeah, you can, I don't know, you might be able to hear it.
Yeah, I hear
But-
it, Papa.
You can?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, me too. Last year, me and Papa
So anyway,
and Dad.
Pretty beautiful out here.
Isn't that cool that we found?
I mean, seriously, it's so beautiful. We got like, it hasn't peak fall yet, but it's like starting to turn fall.
I've never seen one.
Hey, Sylvie, what kind of tree is that?
That tree, it might be a tulip poplar or a hickory.
It's a tulip poplar, you're right. As you can see, this is right next to the farmhouse. That's where you park there. And that there is the farmhouse. How cool. Right next to that river. Super rad, huh?
Sophie's awesome. Getting prettier and prettier.
Well, the chicken stock was only okay, and then I added the ham hocks to it and recooked it. And then chicken stock was mine.
You're gonna make it some new leg stretch.
This one is yummy. It's yummy.
Wait, show us what you have in it.
So you get your graham crackers,
Marshmallow.
get a marshmallow
Crackers
on a
and
stick,
Reese's.
and then you get Reese's Pieces, and then you get your other cup.
Reese's cup.
Mush it down. Now, this is what I call a cupcake.
What you got?
You get the marshmallow.
Are you eating a s'more? Say, show me.
Dun, dun. You can't even eat the squishy.
Is it yummy? Yeah.
What's this one?
I know it is.
Here, coming.
Oh, it smells so good.
I'm gonna burn this
Maybe I
one.
can just nibble it.
Don't worry, Papa. It tastes disgusting. Yeah.
Yep.
It's good.
Mine tastes like a rotten burger.
I've got roasted chocolate bits.
You're beautiful again. Rosie.